guys, it's 12 fiber gifts of Christmas, and we're on week 2. So we've got a kit on weaving. This kit's going to be a little different. We're using, let me explain, 6-2. So our colorways are going to be with 6-2. And what's special about this project is that we have coordinated with DJE. And that's Deb Essen, and she's designed a pattern that the weaver can do placemats or can do table runners. Because everybody has different settings or different numbers, we've chosen not to do pre-wound warps, which is what she's really famous for. We're going to let you design the width and the lengths. We're giving patterns and pattern repeats. So in the kits, you will get Queen Anne's lace in an evergreen, or Queen Anne's lace in a cranberry, or Queen Anne's lace and lupine. So there's 3 color choices. Queen Anne's lace is going to be with all 3 of them. So what I'm going to do is show you, I've woven a couple of these. This one's still on the loom. We're going to have that in the actual blog of the pattern. You have to buy the yarn to get the pattern, so that's important. This one is the table runner I did with cranberry and Queen Anne's lace. I did a 3-foot table runner. Could go on a standard table or foyer or whatever, but this is the pattern that she's providing. I did hems. You don't have to do that. You can do fringe. I am in the process of doing the green, which is the evergreen, and that's this color right here, evergreen. I've got this one on the loom. Lupine is actually, I did some samples of it. It's very bright, but don't let that actually scare you. It's got a really nice traditional blue when it's mixed with the Queen Anne's lace. It looks really good. This is more of a shadow weave, so it does really nice. So anyway, the price point is $28.99, and you will get 2 cones plus her pattern. So that's the kit. It'll be instructions on how to start it, but see, this can vary with different weavers. So this is making everybody, each one of these will be special because they will be for you. So that's going to be our DJE cotton table runner / placemat kit. And you will get to choose from 3 buttons: lupine, cranberry, or the evergreen. So anyway, I'd love to see your projects when you're done, or maybe a table setting would be great for Christmas. Thanks.